How to log in to Natwest mortgage account. So if you want to log in to Natwest mortgage account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar you have to search for Natwest mortgage login. And after searching here on the first search, you will have manage my mortgage login. You can click on that. Now it will take you to the web page or the website of the login. So here you can log into your account. So to log into your account, so on the first blank you have to enter your mortgage account number, and after entering that you have to enter your date of birth. On the next one, like the series, the date and the month and the year, and after that you have to enter your surname. And after entering your surname, here you have to enter your mortgaged property's postcode. And after entering all of this information, you can simply click on login. And after clicking on login, you will receive a one-time passcode to your registered mobile number, and you have to enter that one-time password or that code here. And after entering that code, you will be logged into your account. So that's it, guys. That's the way to log into your Natwest mortgage account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.